And then it starts over again, just like you're going around the wheel again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. We've gone around the wheel 2 times, right? So there's a 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. We've gone around the wheel 3 times there. And then 1, 2. So we actually created all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8. 2 10s, going down 3 10s, 32. So here's the 2s, and this is all based on the 2s, on the 1s and 2s. So here's the 2s. Just like that one wheel over there, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. Go ahead and start here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So it's just like here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. It's just going around the wheel like that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, all the way down. And then you put a 1 in front of the first 0, because you went 10. You went around the wheel once, right? 2 in front of the second one. You went around the wheel twice. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here's where it gets really fascinating. Look guys. This is 2, right? 2 plus 2 is?
3? 4.
2 plus 2 is 4. And look at this right there. 1 and 1 is? 2. 3 plus 3 is? 6. 4 plus 4 is? 8. Look on your sheet. 5 plus 5 is? 10. You see it on your sheet? 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, watch this. 6 doubled.
12.
Look at there. There's right there. 12. 7 doubled
40.
is 7 doubled is
40. No.
7 plus 7.
12. 16.
No.
12.
Look here.
12.
Is how much? Look right there.
12.
7 plus 7 is
14.
14. 8 doubled is
16.
16. 9 doubled is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. 11 times 2
22.
is 22. 12 times 2.
24.
You see what you have there? Is creating all the times. And so now you'd also go the other way. For instance, what's half of 6?
3.
3. You see that?
Yeah.
It's right there. What's half of 8?
6.
Half of 8
4. 8.
is 4.
Eight.
See that?
8.
Half of 10?
8.
5. Half of 12?
6.
Half of 14?
7.
Half of 16?
8.
Half of 20?
Nine.
Half of 20?
10.
10. Good. Half of 24?
12.
12.
40.
30 divided by 2.
The what?
30 divided by 2. It's the same thing as half. It's right there.
15.
Yeah. 40 divided by 2.
20.
20. It's also half of 20. 50 divided by 2.
24. 25.
25. Do you see how that works?
Yeah.
Okay, now here's what we're going to do.